Hello teacher, this is my activity Alternative Home. My name is Alfredo Espinal Gutierrez Fernando, and I want to tell you about this prototype of house. This house prototype is a prefabricated home with the material of the wood and is based on natural and the ancient imagination and creativity of three houses where a board and very natural concept is so where all kinds of people can live a healthy environment of peace and tranquility. But I suggest that older people enjoy this natural environment to clear their minds after his work life when are young. I think this so beautiful and so good and pretty that the older people live in these types of productive halls for his future. And in my concept of a warm family home, you can see in this picture the type of ample housing which can work a family condominiums where each member of this household obtain their house without any problem in order to generate a warm atmosphere of peace and love with his member of family. It's so good this project and it's a so good alternative house.